Today I'm going to show you some more combos that you can do using the grounded flips that we've already learned. Let's check it out.
Yeah.
I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the second set of combos that you'll be learning for 1.7. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your first set of combos for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. First combo that we're going to do today is a front skew to a front skew. So you're going to do your front skew and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to step around to a front side stance, put your cheat leg down, and then you're ready to throw your front skew. The second combo is going to be a front swipe to a front swipe. So you're going to do your front swipe and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to turn around and put your swing knee on the ground, then throw your second front swipe. Third combo is going to be a back skew to a back skew. So you're going to do your back skew and follow through all the way around to a front side stance. Step around, and from there, you're going to put your cheat knee on the ground, and then you're set up to throw your back skew. The last combo is going to be a back swipe to a back swipe. So you're going to do your back swipe and follow through to a front side stance. Step around to a back side stance and put your swing knee on the ground. And from there, you're set up to throw your second back swipe. Now, I want to remind you guys that it's totally okay to start off doing these moves and combos like super slanted to the side. This early in the curriculum, especially for level 1, it doesn't matter if it's straight over or slanted. It's more for you guys to just kind of get used to the awkward movements that we'll end up doing later on down the road. Let's check these out one more time.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support this channel, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you become the best tricker that you can be by building a solid foundation for your tricking so you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be moving on to the third set of combos for level 1.7. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.